when the ox served up against the its son who suffered free. Praise Lord, praising in a joyous free. Praise Lord, praising in a joyous free. The reading from the Holy Book of Bible. Each one should give what he has decided in his heart to give, not out of regret or compulsion, but God was a cheerful giver. O God, you are the truth and the truth of our heart. Bless the faith which we consecrate to you, and lighten our hands, center of the faith, and direct ourselves to our Father's hand. Grant us to see to Godhead, and make us to revive.
God loves a cheerful giver. 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 Whoever sows sparingly will also reap sparingly. Whoever sows generously will also reap generously.
It's about being kind and helping others. Let's clap for them. Once upon a time, in a sunny village, there stood a big, beautiful coconut tree. That tree loved helping everyone in the village, including some little creatures that lived nearby. Let's see how the tree's kindness made it special. One hot day, little Rani ran to the tree, tired and thirsty. I am so thirsty. Do you have something for me? Of course, my dear. Take one of my coconuts full of clean water. Rani drank the water and felt happy. She waved goodbye to the tree. High above, a crow was watching. It flew down and spoke to the tree. I think my dad taught me fast. I don't have a place to rest. Don't silly crow, take my guidance and use some to build a new nest. The crow happily took the leaves and made a cotton nest on the tree's branch. Next, a squirrel came scampering to the tree. Dear tree, the ground is too hot and I can't find any shade. Can I rest under you? Of course, my shade is for everyone. Just here as long as you like. The squirrel curled up in the cool shade, feeling safe and happy. Later, a farmer came to the tree. My roof is broken and I have no one to fix it. Can you help me fix it? Take my roof and use some to make a new roof. I am happy to help. The farmer cracked the tree and used the leaf to fix his roof. Finally, a villager came with an axe. I need wood to build a bridge for the river. Can I shoot a kind tree? If my trunk can help the village, then I will gladly give it. The villager used the drum to make a strong bridge, and the whole village was grateful. Years passed, and the tree had given away everything it had, but it was still the happiest tree in the village. I may not have much left, but my heart is full. Helping others is what makes திருக்குறள் ஈதல் இசைப்பட வாழ்தல் அது வந்தது ஊதியம் இல்லை மீட்கு பொருள் ஏழைகளுக்கு கொடுப்பது அதனால் புகழ் பெருக வாழ்வது இப்புகழ் நன்றி மனிதனுக்கு பயன்பெற ஒன்றுமில்லை.
It was a wonderful day, as you have told. When you share with others what you have, you make others happy, peaceful. And that is what your teachers and the students did together today. That you shared your talents, your joy with others and made us all very, very happy. Yesterday's lucky winner is B. Sahaya Divina of 3rd B.